lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
And that begins qualification match number 9 at the Wisconsin Regional. Autonomous period has begun on the Red Alliance. 2 cubes placed, one on the floor level, one onto the highest row, as well as a robot docked onto the charging station. It appears that they are engaged as well. That would be the Steel Bronco Robotics. Time now has begun for the autonomous period. Unfortunately for Steel Bronco Robotics, it looks like a bearing has come loose from the robot. Hopefully that does not affect their performance for the rest of the match. On the Blue Alliance side, teams trying to get pieces from their human player, and they do. 3 cubes placed on that top row for the Blue Alliance. Red Raiders trying to line up to place a cone if they can. Fortunately, it looks like the robot is jumping around. Hopefully they can get figured out on how to control their robot the rest of the match. 930 placing a piece onto the top row, almost knocking themselves over. Unfortunately for the Blue Alliance team, still trying to line up to place that cone. Rocket Robotics trying to place a cube. Unfortunately, it does fall, but they do get to bump it into the floor level behind the tape. That does earn them the points. More Robotics lining up for a top row cone, getting that one as well. McGuanago Bears across the field with a cone for the top row, trying to line themselves up with it, and they do get it on. This time placing their arm back down before going across the field, keeping themselves from tipping over. More Robotics taking a cone from their human player. Unfortunately, it does fall out and fall to the ground. Their human player, though, is right there to place another cone onto the sliding mechanism that allows them to deliver it to the field. Red Raider Robotics still trying to figure out how to get their robot under control, trying to get themselves up onto the station if they can. Red Alliance continuing to go back and forth. Just over 30 seconds still remaining. Red Alliance has completed their half of the cooperation bonus, and they have 3 links. Blue Alliance only having 1 complete link, but they do get their cooperation bonus as well. This does mean that they only have to have 4 links in order to get that bonus. The sound played, that means endgame teams can now have less than 30 seconds to get themselves up onto the charging station, docked and engaged for the extra points. Blue Alliance, 2 robots currently on there trying to get themselves balanced. Red Raider and Rocket trying to balance themselves. Their teammates waiting on the side as 3 seconds remain. 2, 1. $125-72. Red Alliance does get 3 ranking points. One of those must be from the sustainability bonus.